Good morning. My name is Steve Guglielmo, and I am the managing editor of Data Key Communications. The purpose of today's video is to show you how to upload an article to the Beverage Industry Resource Guide. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is navigate to the Resource Guide homepage, which I've already done. You're going to click over here in the corner where it says sign in, and you're going to sign into your account. And once you've done that, it's going to bring you right back to the homepage, but now you'll see that your name is up in the corner. So you're going to click on that and click Dashboard. It's going to bring you to your listing dashboard, which is where you can see the completeness of your listing, your statistics, all of that type of information, but it's also where you can upload new content. So you find this orange button here in the left-hand corner that says add new content. You click on that, and it shows you the type of things that you can upload. So today I'm going to be uploading an article. I'm going to click on that. It's going to bring you to this page. It's very intuitive. You just kind of go through and fill in the blanks. So I've already got the company article that I'm going to be uploading here in another tab. So I'm simply going to, like I said, copy and paste. So article title, I'm going to go ahead and copy this and paste this. Basic information, that's things like all articles and news, industry articles, products and services. So whatever you're going to be uploading, make sure that it's tagged with the correct category so that people can find it. So for today, I'm going to press all articles and news, and I'm going to press OK. Now, how often you can post articles to the resource guide is dictated by the level of sponsorship that you have selected. So if you are a platinum sponsor, you can post unlimited articles, and you can post things about new hires, new products, company awards, new facilities, anything that you find newsworthy, you can upload to the resource guide. If you're a gold sponsor, you can do that once a month. If you're a silver sponsor, you can do that every other month. If you're a bronze sponsor, you can do it quarterly. And if you're a basic level of sponsorship, you don't have article posting privileges. So if you find that you have just an unlimited amount of news, but you're being constrained by your level of sponsorship, they might consider upgrading that to be able to post more often. So you have your level of sponsorship, you're posting your article, you select your categories. I want it to be published today. Next is the abstract. You only have 250 characters here, so it's kind of like a high level, what's this article going to be about? So I'm just going to go ahead and take our number one goal here, and I'm going to post that as the abstract. Next, you come down to the content box, which is kind of where the meat of the article is going to go. You can expand this box down here in the right corner to give you a little space to play with. I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to grab the content. I'm going to paste it here. Now you'll notice that some of the formatting is stripped out of it automatically. But it's very easy to add that back in. Our goals, I wanted that to be bold, so I can just highlight it. I can bold it, italicize it, underline it. All of that stuff can be done very easily. So you go back through. It's important that you kind of proofread the article, make sure that everything is set up and formatted the way you'd like it to be done. Once you're happy with it, you move on. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here. The next thing is keywords. So for keywords, you can do up to 10 of them. And I always tell people that to put yourselves in the shoes of the reader. So what might the reader be searching for? What would you like the reader to be searching for that would bring them to your article? So if you have an article about beverage gases, well, let's start there, beverage gases. So ours is a company profile. So I'm going to put our company name in case somebody's searching that. The article would come up. We're a publisher. I'll do that, and profile. Now, again, I just picked 3 words there, but you're going to want to be a little bit more careful and judicious when you're uploading yours, but just whatever you think people might want to be searching for that would come across your article, that's the good place to upload there. So the rest of this here is kind of in the weeds, SEO keywords, all that kind of stuff. But the things that I really wanted to touch on are up here in the right-hand column. So you want to put the author of the article. For URL, a lot of people will put their company URL. Other people will put their company LinkedIn. However you want your name to be linked and to be found, put that in the URL. So I'm going to go ahead and put our company LinkedIn page there. About the author, if you choose to do it, this is just kind of a couple of things about you and your position within the industry. You can also upload an author picture. I'm going to spare you guys having to see my picture here, but you can see the recommended dimensions. If you have a headshot to upload and you see on the homepage of the resource guide, you'll see the article and then you'll see a little picture next to it. So if you have that, definitely include that. Now, the photo gallery is kind of the things that I really wanted to talk to you about. So you can upload up to 5 pictures within the photo gallery, and some of the guidelines are right here. So the recommended dimensions, 1024 pixels by 768, the supported formats, and that's JPEGs, GIF or GIF, or PNG, and the maximum file size is 5 megs. So I'm going to go ahead and click choose file, and I've got the pictures right here ready to go. You can bulk upload them, which is nice. So I'm going to select them both. You'll see that they're going to go ahead and upload here, and you'll see that they are right here. So whichever picture you want to be the cover image, you just simply click on that. So I like this staff picture, so I'm going to keep that one. You can also edit the pictures. Now, I caution you, you want the pictures to be as close to the recommended dimensions as possible when you're cropping and editing, because it's very difficult to take a picture that is, vertical or portrait and make it look good in a landscape format. So this is already a landscape picture, so I'm going to go ahead and press the pencil here, which is edit. Maybe I want to crop this in. Or in this case, I'm going to crop it out so that all of our faces are pretty comfortably within the picture. And I'm going to press save. So that's the photo gallery, but you can also upload pictures within the content box. So to do that, click where you want the picture to be. So I'm going to put this profile picture right here above our team. I'm going to click on this square that says image. I'm going to toggle over to upload, choose a file. Again, I'm going to pick this picture, and I'm going to press open. Now, you'll see 2 boxes here. You're going to want to press send it to the server before you press OK. So I'm going to press send it to the server. And then I'm going to press OK. So now I've sent it to the server. Now I'm going to press OK. So you'll see that it pasted enormous. To edit that, you click the box again, and you'll see this width and height, and it's going to auto ratio those things for you. So I'm going to press 300 for the width, and you'll see that auto toggled to 200. So now I'm going to press OK, and you'll see that that's a much more manageable size. You can also change the alignment. So say I want that to be aligned in the center of the picture. Simple as that. So, okay, I've posted my picture. I've posted my photo galleries. If you want, you can do a cover image. I've got the keywords. I've got everything the way I want it to be. I'm very happy. So I go down here and I press save. The next thing it's going to do, it's going to bring you back to your company, your listing dashboard. You'll see that the article is pending. Once it's approved, you'll see it on the homepage of the site. You can also, from this place, preview, so you can see what it's going to look like. So here is that kind of main image that I was talking about. There's us. There's our content. That's that center, smaller, reasonably sized image that I put right in there. And you keep scrolling down, and here is the photo gallery with all of the pictures that we posted. So it's as simple as that. I hope that this was helpful. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, Data Key Communications, and we would be happy to help. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day.